There is a person in your life right now, you know the one. The person who walks into a room and something shifts. People lean in, conversations open, eyes follow them without knowing why. And nobody, not even them, can fully explain what it is. You might think it's their looks, their money, or their status. It is not. Those are surface level. What you are seeing is a hidden psychological sequence, a biological code that once triggered forces the human brain to fixate on you. Most people spend their entire lives chasing this without ever understanding the mechanics. Today, that changes. You are about to see the architecture behind obsession. Because here's what nobody tells you about attraction. It is not a feeling. It is a sequence. A chain of specific psychological responses, firing in a specific order, that the human brain has been running for 200,000 years. And that sequence can be understood, studied, and deliberately triggered. This is not manipulation. This is literacy. Most people accidentally stumble through social interactions. By the end of this video, you will understand attraction at a level that most people never reach. Let's start with the one that breaks the brain's logic. In 1975, a psychologist named Stephen Worchel ran a simple experiment. He placed cookies in two identical jars. One jar had 10 cookies, the other had 2. Same cookie, same taste, same recipe. People rated the cookies from the near-empty jar as significantly more desirable. The only difference was availability. Your brain is wired to assign value based on scarcity. This is a survival mechanism. If you are always responding, always free, always eager, you are unconsciously signaling to their brain, I am low value. The most attractive people you have ever encountered had something in common. You were never entirely sure of them. There was always a small gap between you and them. In 1999, researchers ran the Chameleon effect experiment. Participants were unknowingly paired with actors trained to subtly mirror their posture and speech. The result, participants rated them as significantly more likable. None of them noticed it was happening. This triggers a primal recognition. This person is like me. Similarity is a safety signal. We are wired to be drawn to what feels familiar. The most powerful people in any room aren't the loudest. They are the most attuned. They listen, they mirror, they build tribe. The human brain cannot tolerate an open loop. This is the Zeigarnik effect. The brain retains incomplete tasks far more vividly than completed ones. You want to be magnetic? Stop finishing your stories. Stop answering every question immediately. If you reveal everything, you kill the mystery. If you reveal yourself in layers, you force their brain to keep working on you. Attraction is not a moment. It is a series of open loops that they are dying to close. We are halfway through. What comes next? The identity elevation and the investment principle are not tips. They are structural forces. These are the tools that force someone to prioritize you in their mind. Stay with me. People do not fall in love with you. They fall in love with who they are when they are around you. Read that again. You are not the object of attraction. You are the context. When you make someone feel more intelligent, more seen, or more capable, they associate you with that feeling. Specific recognition is a neurological event. It's not "you're smart," it's the way you saw that problem before anyone else. I noticed that. That feeling is rare, and rare things are irresistible. There is a myth that attractiveness requires invulnerability. The research says the opposite. In 1966, the Pratfall effect proved that a highly competent person who commits a small, genuine mistake becomes more likable. Why? Because statues are impressive, but people are magnetic. A small, controlled show of uncertainty makes you real. And real people can be trusted. Without trust, attraction is just a short circuit. In behavioral economics, we value what we earn. This is the IKEA effect. If you do everything for them, they will discard you. The tactic, let them contribute. Ask for a small favor. Invite their input. When someone invests effort in you, their brain creates an internal story. I am doing this, therefore they must matter. People don't leave things they've built. Generic compliments are noise. Specific observations are signals. You're great is background noise. The way you handle that frustration most would have snapped that's rare is a signal. That sentence contains the most attractive word in the language. Last time, you mentioned that thing about your sister last time. It proves you were paying attention. And in a world of distracted, half-present people, being the one who remembers is a superpower. Here is the truth. Attraction is not a technique, it is a mirror. It is what you signal about how you see the world. These 7 triggers are the architecture of human bonds. You now know the system. You can stop hoping for connection and start building it. If this changed how you think about attraction, subscribe. In the next video, we are going into the dark systems of human obsession, the psychological forces that define who we choose and why. Trust me, you are not ready to miss that one.